The iPhone 6s has arrived. Let's unbox it together. This one is a Pixel Squat 16 plus 52. Let's open it and take a look. Just use your fingers to pry it open. Fingers, fingernails.
Hey, put the phone aside for now. Like that cup, short silicone one.
Oh, the iQOO 11 and iQOO 15 are the same charger.
Exactly the same as 100 watts dual C.
Feels good.
This is grid by grid.
This logo is not raised, you can't feel it, and the pure black doesn't reflect light. Let's test it screen together. Hold on, powering on. It's the same, can't move, it's locked, the device is locked. All devices are locked. Let's directly test the screen. Turn it on. The professional mode is already activated. Let me talk about its screen. The 61 screen is a JD version 2K screen. Alright, let's test it together. Raise it a bit, otherwise it won't be easy to test.
Custom brightness adjustment. What are you doing?
$2K screen. This is without any operation. 3,200K seems okay. Pull it to the highest. Pull it once. This position starts to have more.
This area is quite full.
What do you think of this BOE 2K screen? Oh, that's it for the test. If you have any questions, ask Brother Faye. Hey, goodbye, good brothers.